Hey everybody, Tim Davison here with Stellar Industries. I'd like to visit with you a little bit about some of the features that make the Stellar TMAX mechanics trucks some of the best in the industry today. One of the things I'm holding here seems very simple, but it's an important feature that we offer, and that's our wired harnesses. Whether it's a short jumper wire or one of the main harnesses that we use on our body, all of our harnesses are manufactured with a tough coating that's cut resistant, and it also keeps all the wires confined into one area so it's easier to wire our bodies and you don't get damage done to the wire harnesses. The other thing that we do that's not done by very many manufacturers at all is we actually label each and every wire that goes into our harness. So if you do have a problem, you can look at the wire, and about every 3 or 4 inches it's labeled with the exact function that wire is used for. So if you end up with an electrical problem, it's easy to troubleshoot and it's easy to repair. Just another feature that makes Stellar Industries TMAX service bodies one of the best mechanics trucks in the industry today. For more information, contact us at stellarindustries.com.